Hey guys, so can't believe I'm actually the one that's ready to go and the one that's actually asking the wife who is still stuck in bed if she can like hurry her ass up just so that we can go and have a date at IKEA with the Ongs. So we're gonna do our intro. So baby, you ready? So I'm gonna be like, I'm Chris.
I'm not ready.
You're supposed to say I'm Krisha.
I'm not ready.
How she's all in her morning valor, all stuck in bed like looking like that. Yeah. Anyway, so day at IKEA. Hopefully, if she can get out of bed within another hour, it really depends. We can hopefully get there before 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
In 300 meters, turn right on Coral Way West.
Here, turn right. No, yeah, sorry. Next.
Passenger driver, passenger driver. What's up, everyone in TV land? So here we are. The Ongs are on their way to IKEA. And yeah, it's a Friday morning. Sun's bright, nice, and everything's all great out. So we're gonna go check this out, possibly buy a crib and some other things for the future home and our future child.
Turn right on Coral
See
Way
you.
West.
What's up, guys? So I'm here with the wife. As you all know, she say hi, babe. As you all know, she's pregnant, so it doesn't go out much, but this is definitely an excuse that she used to come out, which is IKEA. Obviously, I've been to a few of these, coming from New York and all, but this is the first one in the Philippines, and it's a pretty big one, so pretty impressive that IKEA is here in the Philippines and it's doing some big things. Okay, babe, you excited about your trip to IKEA?
Yes.
Alright, everyone, so the Ongs are at IKEA. This is what happens when you turn into an adult. These are the outings you're excited about. Not concerts, not vacations anymore. It's IKEA.
This one is open already. This one was closed before. This is the cafe.
Alright, so seems as if the hungry wife wants to eat first. That's pretty common. That's okay. So we're gonna go get us some Swedish meatballs. Seems like it's been a good time that we arrived here at IKEA on a Friday mid-morning or almost afternoon. Not a lot of people here yet, so that's a pretty good thing. And this place is huge, man. I'm gonna get me some meatballs. Where is it?
I don't know where it is. I forgot.
I don't know. Boss, saan yung cafeteria natin?
Ha?
Saan yung cafeteria yung may mga Swedish meatballs?
Restaurant? No,
Yeah, yung sa taas pa. Okay. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Oh, now I feel like a little bit of a dumbass. Upstairs, taas pa.
Huh?
Taas pa.
Sa taas?
That's what he just said. Alright guys, so we're gonna now search for a table. in this lounge. Well, for the sake of photos, let's go closer to the daylight. There's natural ambient light. It seems like a pretty nice wide open area. Socially distanced. Oh, he wants closer to the window. We went to the window. So we feel like Amazon employees or Google employees. All right. Guys, so here I'm gonna try out my Swedish meatballs from IKEA. And some chicken wings. I'm gonna do some salmon at first. And a green salad, because the wife's here. Excuse me, not a vinaigrette. Straight up honey mustard dressing. So we have to fuel up before we do this trek. I'm gonna go ahead and try the meatballs. If you do Swedish meatballs, you normally use a little bit of the cranberry sauce as well. So a little bit of the cranberry, a little bit of the gravy. IKEA Swedish meatballs. Not bad. Hasn't changed by much. Has a standard turkey-ish flavor. So, nice job, IKEA. Let you know how the wings are. Hey guys, I'm gonna try the wing. So you know me, I'm New York ghetto, so I'm gonna eat this piece later. But let's see what kind of flavors this wing has. I mean, the fact that they were giving ketchup as a condiment makes you wonder. But let's see. Let's try IKEA's buffalo wings, or it's a standard wing. There's a little bit of seasoning on it. Almost like a Thai, Southeast Asian kind of seasoning. But not very flavorful. Nothing that's gonna stay in my memory. But the meatballs, pretty good. Pretty standard. So IKEA, you've done well with the meatballs. Okay. So guys, we are trying the kind of like it's basically like a chocolate with like a ganache with like a little bit of it's like a chocolate cake with like some ganache layers in there. It's pretty darn good actually. The coffee's not bad. The coffee's Unli, so they have the Nordic drink thing, and they have the coffee as well. So if you want those, they have those Unli. Obviously, you have to pay for it first, but you basically pay for a glass, and then you get the drinks free, or you get the drinks unlimited. But the cake, this one, I would say I would come back and I would try to get this again, because pretty darn good. So. Nice and moist, airy at the same time. Goes really well with the coffee. So our order today was a 16 and a 20 meatball, the salmon, salad, one of the Hope in a Box waters because we got scammed, a spaghetti, and a 4-piece chicken wing. Our total bill was around 1,200 pesos, which is around $22 to $24 depending on the exchange rate. And I would say, yeah, overall it was pretty good. The wings are a disappointment. Kind of don't want to eat the rest of those. But the meatballs were good. I ordered the plate of 20. I got 3 left. Can't force myself down to finish those, even though I probably could back in the day, but not anymore. So anyway, after this, we are gonna enjoy the rest of this coffee and the cake, and then we are gonna start going around IKEA, and that's where all the money flies out the window. Hey guys, so just got done with lunch, and from when we came in to now that we're leaving, probably like an hour, and now there's a line to get to exactly where we were. Alright guys, so we're gonna start our little shopping expose or IKEA right here in the Philippines. My step counter says that I'm at around 13,000 steps because I did a little bit of walking exercises this morning, so I'm around 13,000 steps. I'm predicting that I'm going to be at around 25,000 by the end of the day. So let's see. I got the shoes for it anyway. So we're midway through our showrooms here over at IKEA, and I decided to go ahead and have a seat somewhere where it's nice and comfortable. So I'm over here at my little wannabe den area. Here's my seat. Apparently, Krisha thinks it's really cute, so. Oh, you mean that's her bed?
Oh.
So it extends out?
Oo. Ano may mas maliit na version niya? Para
instrumental Rasta. Bring in the instrumental Rasta. Concrete jungle them. Yeah man. The rivalist on the rhythm. Pure energy big one.
That's right, baby. Come on, put those elbows to work. Open up that chair. Come on, work on that European mixed matching kind of stuff. Mom and Dad are here at IKEA, and we are picking out your crib. So I think we're gonna go with this guy. This is the Sunvik. We got a nice crib for you. Mom's over there getting mattress protectors. And a mattress.
Pero ano siya? Naka-split siya or hindi?
I'll see you soon. Hi everyone, Chris here. So as you guys have just seen, that was our short day trip to IKEA for my wife and I. We did go ahead and buy the crib and a changing station for our soon-to-be-born child. I will be shooting a gender reveal video because we're really excited to welcome our newborn into the world. So I will be posting a video of that soon as well. Once again, this is my first video. I do know that it's raw. It's probably more of a headache than anything. It was definitely a chore for me to edit this and put it all together for you guys. But just give me a chance. I welcome all the tips, all the criticisms, anything that I can do or learn to kind of help become a better videographer or a better vlogger. I will certainly accept all of that advice in and put that to use. So once again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for spending a little bit of time with me, and I will catch you all on the flip side. Take care, everyone.
Repartiendo head copy para lo malo se fue para yo no tengo meta en la mía pero ando sobre este viaje al que muchos llaman vida aquí siempre hay opción hay una